Tanawa si Sean! Tanawa ninyo si Sean, ha? Sige. Sige, mingon sa kuhan, tambo ko. Tanawa, natulog na ko. Dili na ko. Sununo lagi! Dili na ko ba? I'm so fat na! Tanawa, Sean, please. Respect my ano. You and your mama make me fat always, Sean. Enough, ha? I eat a lot of carbs now. Funny.
Tell them how many carbs you eat today. Thumbs up. So in the morning, you had 2 breakfasts. I only had 1. Tofu and something else. Then finish, and then you have vegetables. Then finish, and then you had
Sandwich.
Oh, and then you had a sandwich. Potato chips. And hummus. An apple. And then coconut. Had smoothie. For dinner you had a pie consisting of pastry and potato. That's 2 carbs already, and meat.
Ako nag-ana na kung kailangan na kumusta ka sa kwarto kaya nag-offer siya ice cream gani ha. Doon niya karon. No. Sean ha. No, Sean ha.